Can you download Netflix movies in gallery? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let us now see if you can download your Netflix movies to your gallery. So firstly, open the Netflix application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, go ahead and choose the movie or the episode that you want to download. You will then see the download option there, so tap on the download option you see there. And now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the download tab, but as you can see here, the downloads is saved in download section and not to your galleries. So unfortunately, downloading Netflix movies directly into your phone's gallery is not possible because Netflix uses DRM protection. This protection prevents videos from being saved as regular files in your gallery. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.